Hello, and thank you for your interest in applying to the King Abdullah Fellowship Program at Emory University. This presentation will serve as a guide to prepare you for your application to the Rollins School of Public Health. It will provide a brief overview of application elements and required documents. There will be several links posted on the online orientation site for future reference. There are three main application elements. First, there are transcripts. Transcripts provide a list of your grades from your highest earned degree. An official transcript, meaning a sealed and stamped document, is required. You must request a transcript from your university, which will be sent for a WES evaluation. If you studied in a non-US institution, your transcript must go through a WES evaluation, meaning that your grades will be transferred into a 4.0 GPA scale. Once the evaluation is complete, it will be submitted to SOFUS. The second element of your application are the standardized exams, which are required for all students. The GRE is mandatory. However, the epidemiology and global health departments waive GRE scores if you are ECFMG certified. TOEFL or IELTS exams are required if you are an international student. The third element is the personal narrative, which includes 3 recommendation letters, 2 which come from work, and 1 from a professor at your university. A CV/resume and a statement of purpose are also required. The links to register for the standardized exams are presented in this slide, as well as the Module 4 in the online orientation course. You are recommended to follow the steps carefully. Computer-based tests for the GRE can be found in different locations around the kingdom for both men and women. This information can be found on ets.org. You are recommended to review this information carefully on the ETS website, as information may be subject to change. Computer-based tests for the TOEFL can also be found in different locations around the kingdom for both men and women. This information can be found also on ets.org. You are recommended to review this information carefully on the ETS website, as information may be subject to change. IELTS exams are also found in different locations around the kingdom for both men and women. This information can be found on IELTS.org. It is recommended to review this information carefully on the website, as this information may be subject to change. International students are required to provide additional information and documentation. You are recommended to carefully review the checklist presented. This information is also found under the checklist section in your SOFUS account. You are recommended to carefully read the instructions when submitting your recommender's information. When you are prompted to answer the question, to waive your right from viewing your recommendation, select Yes. The steps to submit your WES evaluation are presented in this slide. This information is also found on WES.org. It is recommended to carefully review these steps. Additional information regarding the WES evaluation is presented in the Frequently Asked Questions section in your SOFUS account. Make sure you carefully review this information. There is no specific score for the standardized exams. However, there is a preferred minimum, which helps you in presenting a stronger application. This information can also be found on the rsph.com website. Good luck!